Hi, my name is Aaron Marcus, and I've been very fortunate. I've been a full-time actor for over 30 years. I've booked over 1,200 jobs so far. Perhaps you saw my recurring role on House of Cards. I've worked on projects such as Mr. Robot, Gotham, Halt and Catch Fire, Rectify, The Wire, hundreds of TV commercials, training films, feature films, independent films, voiceover work, commercial modeling jobs. And I am really excited about bringing my Book the Job workshop to the Raleigh Apex area on October the 28th. I am even more excited about having an old friend, a guy who I met on a television show. We worked together. His name's John Demers. He's just a phenomenal person, an incredibly talented actor, award-winning actor. He's also a producer, writer, hires actors for projects he's working on. And he's going to be a guest speaker at this event. And he's going to be sharing information about how to shoot auditions from home, which is crucial in today's time period. You'll learn what kind of equipment you need, certain techniques, what kind of lighting, where to place the lighting, what kind of sound do you need. He's also a producer, and so he's going to be talking to you about how you can produce your own project, make your idea actually happen. What are the realities of step by step of actually producing your own work? So it's going to be an incredible day. Things that I'm going to be talking about, and you can read about it below, but it's going to be everything from how to use your nervousness to your advantage, how to get work on your own. If you have a local agent and you want to work in other markets, how do you do that? How to create powerful headshots that grab the attention of industry professionals, how to create commercial photos if you're interested in commercial modeling work, how to write great cover letters so you can market yourself. It's going to be an incredible day. I am really excited. This will be my first time heading to the Raleigh Apex area. And so if you're really interested in either learning the best way to break into the industry, or if you've been in the industry for a while and you want to take your career to the next level, come to this workshop. Use the link below. I will have limited seating, so make sure you sign up as soon as possible. It's going to be on October the 28th. It's going to run from 10 to 4. It's going to be an amazing day. So use the link below, grab a seat, and I can't wait to work with you on October the 28th.